Hello inflatable fans, how are you doing? I hope you're well. If you saw my very early videos where I tried to self-rescue and re-enter the Story Kayak, you'll know that I failed miserably. Oh, I'm almost there. And had to use various tools like dry bags and other diving devices like paddle floats to get in. Because I've done so much of that in so many other crafts now, I kind of want to have a go in this Fohn, which is a little bit narrower I think than the Story. So I'm going to take it out there, the guys are going to film it, and we're going to see if I can get in. I'll just stand up and get in. It is harder. Hey, I'm pretty much there. I'm facing the wrong way.
You gonna go back in again?
But I'm in. Ish. Whoa.
He's in.
I did it, I'm going to have to do that again. See if I can get him facing the right way this time.
Easy.
Done it.
Oh, wow. You're no trouble, see.
Hey?
You're no trouble.
I still thought I'd actually struggle with that. And it's not as easy as the wider chambered boats, but yeah, quite chuffed with that. Same kind of technique. Just kick your legs, get yourself flat, and then do a big kick and launch and drag the boat underneath you so that your chest is kind of over the two chambers. And then try and orientate yourself. It was actually more stable than I thought when I was kind of on the side of the boat. Yeah. Alright. As I say, I'm quite chuffed with that. Thanks for watching. You know what to do if you like what I do on this channel and so on. And all that jazz. Getting badgered here by little remote control boats. Cheerio.